We're the Conrad Grebel University College Ambassador Team.
Conrad Grebel is both the residence and academic institution at the University of Waterloo.
My name is Katie.
And I'm Emily. And where's Brayden?
Wait, what's going on? Were we supposed to have a meeting today?
Brayden, we're making the invitation video for the March break open house. Remember?
This cookie is so good.
Brayden, I can't believe you. The March break open house is one of the most exciting days of the year. I've been counting it down for days. And I made this long list of all the things I want my cousin to do when he comes to visit. He's going to attend a faculty information session, take a University of Waterloo campus tour, and of course can visit Grebel.
He's coming to visit Grebel? I can give him a tour.
Yeah, Brayden, we're all going to give tours at the open house. We're going to show them
the dining room, where we enjoy an all-you-can-eat meal plan and food made with tender, loving care.
And the library, which is just steps away from
the residence rooms, with the largest windows on campus.
The games lounge, where we hang out with friends.
The chapel, where we explore faith.
We will also get to learn about our two academic departments, music and peace and conflict studies, as well as other classes offered at Grebel like Mennonite studies, religious studies, sociology, and history.
But will they get to try Grebel's famous cookie?
Yes, Brayden, they'll even get to try Grebel's famous cookie.
Will you come visit Conrad Grebel at the University of Waterloo's March break open house?
Even if you can't make it to the March break open house, you can still book a tour with us anytime on our website.
We hope to see you soon.